I'm your host, Sean Evans, and it's time to fire up the mind-shattering asylum of hellfire we call the Pepperdome. This is Hot Ones, the game show. Two teams will face off in a war of wings and trivia knowledge. On TV, Mark Cuban has been described as Shark! Why do you think it's Shark?
I have no idea where I am or what just came out of my mouth.
And in each round, our players will be eating a wing with a hotter and hotter sauce.
I'm crying like I just watched The Notebook.
And it's all for a shot at a grand prize of $25,000.
I'm about to bring the pain, just like this hot sauce. Let's go! I want my mom here.
It's just hot sauces, questions. Do you feel confident?
No.
And eventually, some heartburn.
I'm gagging, bitch.
Chef Willie, what are you cooking up for us here?
Brain butter!
Does your brain feel scrambled?
I don't even have a brain, bro.
Yo, why do you do this?
Well, what's nice about this show is that there's no wings on my podium.
Sean Evans hosts Hot Ones, the game show. A new series premieres Tuesday at 10 on truTV.